Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion World. Today in this my video sharing one of the most beautiful, stylish and gorgeous collection of stiletto high heels pumps which are launched this time. They are very classy and elegant that you love to see. Each and every high heels, BPS and collections of the high heels, pumps like office wear, party wear and casual wear. These pumps are very comfortable and mostly worn by girls and women. Please keep in touch with amazing video for more design and more ideas. When you watch this video till to end, you will know about beautiful designs one by one, and I am sure you will find your choice in this amazing collection of stick to high heels and pants. So all these designs and stylish are introduced for yourself. Make it the part of your wardrobe and you will definitely like it, and your outfit will perfectly match with these design outfit. So guys, all these collections, so please thumb up for my video and also share my video with your friends and relatives and give your feedback in the comment section. How was the video and how was the design? You can buy these three websites: amazon.com, ebay.com, aliexpress.com. So friends, I always try to bring useful video in useful content for your for you. So don't forget give your feedback in the comment section. Now was the video and who was the design. So goodbye dear friends. Till the next video. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.